Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zainab. So if this is your first time seeing me, you are welcome. Please do consider subscribing, and if you're an existing subscriber already, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. So in today's video, I'll be creating this spring glam makeup look, and I hope you all like it. So without wasting much of your time, let's just get right into it. So first, I'll be moisturizing my face using this moisture potion here from Miss Metics. So next, I'll be priming my face, and I'll be using this Pore Perfecting Putty Primer from Makeup Obsession. So for my foundation, I'll be mixing these two different shades here, and they are also matte base waterproof foundation with SPF in it. So I'll be mixing these two here to get my shade, and they are also Nigerian brands. So I'll be using my beauty blender. It's already damped, and the beauty blender I'm using is from Cosmic Brushes. So to highlight my face, I'll be using this HD waterproof concealer here from ZKL Cosmetics. It's also a Nigerian brand, and it's in shade Creamy Ivory. So to blend the concealer out, I'll be using my beauty sponge here, the one I used in blending out my foundation. So let me just let that dry up a little bit, and I'll just blend that out. So to set this highlighted part, I'll be using this Revolution Pro CC Perfecting Powder in shade Sand, and the brush I'll be using is the Sigma Beauty HD Bronze in F29. It's from their studio collection. So this I'll be using and applying the powder. So I'm using the same CC press powder to set my whole face up. So next, I'll be bronzing my face, and I'll be using this Revolution Pro Sculpting Bronzer in ENROBE. This is my favorite bronzer right now. And the brush I'll be using is the Sigma Beauty Angled Large Contour Brush in F40. So for my blush, I'll be using this shimmer blush here from I Heart Revolution. It's from their Heartbreakers collection, and it's in shade Strong. It's a 2-in-1 shimmer blush. You can see that highlight. So for my eyes, I'll be going in with this Spiritual Stars eyeshadow palette here from Makeup Obsession. I love the colors in here, and I'll be using 2 to 3 shades from this palette here. And I'll be going in with Inspire here, and also this pink shade here in Energy. The third shade, like I said, I'll be using either 2 to 3 shades. So I don't know, we'll just create this look together. So to prime my eyes, I'll be using this LA Girl Pro concealer here in shade Fawn. So I'll be blending that out all over my eyes. So I'll be using this Sigma Beauty Dual brush here. Okay guys, that's just it. So I don't know where I'll be putting the third eyeshadow, but for now this is just it. This is the look here. So let me just try blend this out. all the brushes I've used for the eyes are from Sigma Beauty. I just love their brushes. It's just soft and it blends well. Okay guys, so for my eyeliner I'll be using this Zaron Cosmetics eyeliner in Jazz, and the brush I'll be using in applying the eyeliner is the Sigma Beauty eyeliner brush in E05. So for my mascara I'll be using this extension lash volumizing mascara from Revolution Pro. It's in shade black. And for my lashes I'll be using these 3D lashes here from Unicorn Cosmetics. It's in Congratulations. So guys, I already created a look similar to this with the same color and everything. So when I was about editing it, I really wasn't feeling the look, so I had to just delete it, and I'm recreating another one, and I'm more comfortable, and I do prefer this one at the previous look. I love this. So guys, for my lower lash line I'll be making use of this purple here. So for my waterline I'll be using this Makeup Obsession cold black liner. So to set my face I'll be using this So Dope setting spray from Makeup Obsession. So for my highlighter I'll be using this Candid Glow by Younger Beauty. So for my lips I'll be lining my lips with this pencil here, then I'll be using this Hydra lip gloss here from Revolution Pro in shade Tainted. Okay guys, and that is the end of this spring full-ish glam. I hope you all did enjoy watching as much as I enjoyed creating this look. Let me know down below the comment section what you think of this look. Also, please, if you're here to subscribe, do that. Show your girl some love. It's free. Please do subscribe to my channel, share this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and click on that bell notification so you don't miss any video of mine whenever I post. So there's something I'm always forgetting to say. Do stay safe, and I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.